How to do affiliate marketing on LinkedIn. If you are among those that doesn't do affiliate marketing or, God forbid, still doesn't know what affiliate marketing is all about, please keep watching this video, because we're going to blow your mind with what we're about to show you. Affiliate marketing is marketing that is done to promote a product or service that you as a marketer don't stock on a retail level, but that you market to get a share of the profits made when the product sells through your promotional efforts. Affiliate marketing has become one of the favorite marketing methods of online marketers because it allows them to use their preferred outreach channels to offer prospective buyers stuff that is hard to resist. And sometimes, just sometimes, affiliate marketing doesn't work for some people. And it is all because of their approach of promoting a product the wrong way, on the wrong channel. One such channel is social media. And in this video, we are going to give you a leg up and help you to do affiliate marketing the right way on the LinkedIn platform. Join affiliate marketing groups. Using groups on LinkedIn is one of the best strategies of what you want is to achieve success with anything that you do on LinkedIn. And affiliate marketing is no exception. Groups are great for making information exchange easier, and this includes information that can help you to land some sweet affiliate deals. Start by looking for affiliate marketing groups, which is easy to do, as you would only need to use affiliate-related keywords or niche keywords. Affiliate marketing groups are a great source of knowledge because they're a home to experienced affiliate marketers, and affiliate posts don't look like spam in these groups. Share your LinkedIn affiliate offers on other social channels. We have told you before how LinkedIn is different than other social channels, and the good thing about it is that you can use it to complement your affiliate marketing efforts on other social media channels, especially on Twitter. Cross-promoting your affiliate links on different social networking sites this way will help you to get more direct traffic to your offers. Follow company pages related to your niche. The most important thing that you can get as an affiliate marketer are valid clicks to your offers and repeating customers. And the fact that only 3% of click-throughs are likely to convert for any affiliate means that the traffic that you get to your offers has to be of the most relevant type possible. And when you follow company pages that are related to your niche, you increase your visibility to leads and prospective buyers that are also following them, increasing your chances of getting visits to your affiliate offers and of getting sales through those offers as well. Become a content expert. Being an affiliate marketer is not only about knowing how and where to post affiliate links, because if you want to become really successful at affiliate marketing, you have to learn how to make people interested enough in your offers as to get them to click through them. And there's no better way to do this than to become very knowledgeable about what you promote. Becoming an expert will allow you to create highly relevant content that can be the perfect placement for your affiliate links, and creating well-informed affiliate articles and posts in the best way to get LinkedIn members to make informed purchases through your affiliate links. Promote free info products. Lead magnets can work wonders for affiliate marketing on LinkedIn when they offer valuable content for users, and you can spread your affiliate offers across the content offered inside your products. Promote your affiliate offers as answers to questions. Be on the lookout for questions made on the platform about products or services related to your offers, or questions made about problems that can be solved by using the products or services that you promote, and subtly insert your affiliate links on your answers. Just remember to not write a sales pitch, but to suggest a solution. Using the LinkedIn feed for market research. LinkedIn is not only a platform to do marketing, but also a place to find information about doing your marketing. Just like on any other social media platform, LinkedIn can give you access to a powerful depository of market information through its content discovery channels. And just like on basically any other social networking site, this content discovery channel can be found right after you sign into your account, in the form of the updates feed. On LinkedIn, this feed follows a different approach, because while it might be used to share updates from the platform and its members, it does so only with serious, relevant content. The basic functionality of this feed, then, is to show you what is trending and what is being shared both by your connections and content creators And if you pay attention to the descriptions on top of each post, you will find that a lot of these content pieces are being promoted on your feed in favor of other marketers that are targeting you as a potential lead, much like you would do as well. The good news about this is that you can use all this information as market research data that you can later use for your own campaigns, which is as useful as it is practical, because as you can see, you can easily access all this information by simply scrolling down. The first thing that you should note is that this feed will show you updates from pages and profiles that you follow. This information is important, especially if you follow mostly companies in your niche, as the way in which LinkedIn members interact with this information will give you great insights into what is trending among your potential audience. There are 4 specific types of content that will be continually featured on your LinkedIn feed. The first type of content is recommended content, which can be labeled as trending, recommended for you, or popular. These content pieces are curated both by LinkedIn's editorial team and by the platform's algorithm to serve only the most appropriate content to each member. The second type of content is content that is trending at the moment, and that is labeled as latest news or as mentioned in the news. Unlike recommended content, these posts are generally not curated or targeted towards any particular member based on its profile and its information, and they are only served for informational purposes, and they are also not intended to represent a given company's activities or point of view. Now, sponsored content are content pieces that are intended to raise awareness about organizations, products, services, or brands. In short, they are advertised material that is served either to members that follow a company page or that fit the criteria of an advertiser. These content pieces are not intrusive and are designed to allow companies to build relationships and to generate quality leads by promoting content to people that would be difficult to reach otherwise. As you can see, all the content that appears in your feed is relevant and customized according to your profile. And you can always manage the content that appears in your feed by hiding posts, by unfollowing companies that do not show you relevant content, and by reporting content that might be inappropriate. Remember that push notifications and emails are part of the content on your feed, so make sure to leverage information on your feed to see what's trending in the world of professional marketing on social media. Small business resources to help you get more out of LinkedIn. Everybody knows that besides hard work and something great to offer, having the right type of relationships is the real key to business success. And LinkedIn has the right set of resources that can help any type of small business to get started. After all, both small and normal-sized businesses can use LinkedIn to build a brand that connects with the right type of people. A strong brand is what will help you to find and to be found by the best prospects. The good news is that building a solid branding strategy that can attract more business opportunities on LinkedIn is as easy as creating a profile that can show others that you are an expert, which will get you noticed. Then you will just have to expand your network and connect with business contacts that can help you to be more successful by creating new contacts and relationships that will take you further into your ventures. After achieving this, small businesses are invited to leverage the resources that LinkedIn has designed for them. Branding. You can leverage LinkedIn's powerful platform to build a great reputation and increase your chances of driving new business relationships through branding. Well, small business resources targeted at branding can help you to boost your LinkedIn network, to win new clients through LinkedIn groups, to jumpstart new business ventures, and to build business relationships that count both on LinkedIn as well as in the real world. Marketing. No referrals are found without solid word of mouth, and referrals are what ultimately drive business. And LinkedIn can help you to generate buzz with awesome marketing solutions that are tailored for the small business of the digital age. Marketing resources for small businesses include targeted ads on the LinkedIn platform that can easily help you to grow by directing your marketing efforts to the people that matter. And marketing on LinkedIn is a 3-step process that will start with you establishing your brand presence by creating a company page that can show your expertise and get your business noticed on the platform. Then, you will need to connect with your audience, which will help you to build a community of followers that is populated by the members of your target audience. And after you build your community, you will keep it engaged with valuable content. Sales. You can use LinkedIn to find the right people whom to talk about your products and services. Finding the right leads and selling faster can be simplified by getting in touch with those that are more likely to want to close a deal with you. Using LinkedIn with sales in mind is as easy as building a reputation that sells, finding the decision makers in any industry, and getting them the information needed to close the deals. Tools such as the Sales Navigator and the educational resources provided by the LinkedIn platform will allow you to get way ahead of your competition when it comes to the sales department. Hiring. Having the right type of hire in your team can make a big difference. It can even transform your business. And LinkedIn offers you the best recruiting tools for the job. Building your employer brand, attracting the best candidates, and then finding the best matches are the first steps. The second step is to use LinkedIn's hiring resources for small business, such as job postings and the recruiter tools. Get yourself ahead of the curve today and sign up for LinkedIn's awesome business resources. Going premium with LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a great platform for business, no doubt about that. You can use it to maximize your chances of succeeding in your career, or to find prospective clients, or to find funding for that awesome new business project of yours, one that you are sure will make headlines someday soon. Everything that we just said is not praise that comes out of thin air, because you already saw that you can achieve all of that stuff by simply creating a LinkedIn account and doing your homework. But can you improve on that? Yeah, you totally can by going premium, which you can do by clicking on the Try Premium for Free link on your dashboard menu. Now, when you go premium, you will be able to access LinkedIn features the same way that you would be able to on your normal non-premium account, but with each one of them turned up to 11 and on turbo mode. As you can see here, you can select the different plan depending on what's your goal. The career plan, for example, will allow you to get hired and get ahead by getting in touch with hiring managers to see how you compare to other members and learn new skills to advance in your career. This plan is mostly for people looking to grow professionally on the platform. But we've established by now that your goal is to grow your business, and there's also a set of plans to help you along the way with that specifically. The business plan, for instance, is designed to help you grow and nurture your network by finding the right people, promoting your business, and learning new skills to enhance your business brand. You can select the premium plan on a free trial for a period of a month. And in the case of the business plan, it's going to be $47.99 a month after your free trial period expires. Features included with your business premium plan include 15 in-mail messages, business insights, online video courses, the ability to see who has viewed your profile, unlimited profile browsing, and career insights. The sales plan, on the other hand, is designed to help you unlock sales opportunities, finding leads and accounts in your target market, getting real-time insights for warm outreach, and to build closer business relationships based on trust with customers and prospects. It is $64.99 a month after your free trial, and its features include 20 in-mail messages, sales insights, advanced search with the Lead Builder tool, and lead recommendations, as well as saved leads, alongside the features offered by the business plan. Lastly, the hiring plan is designed to help you find and hire talent and great job candidates for your organization faster. With this plan, you will be able to contact top talent directly and build great relationships with prospective hires. The hiring plan is $99.50 a month after the trial expires and includes features such as 30 in-mail messages, advanced search functions, smart suggestions, integrated hiring, automatic candidate tracking, and recruiting specific design, alongside the features offered by the sales plan. Once you have decided which premium plan best suits your needs, simply click on the Start My Free Month and try it out.